what we need to do, we need to create similar to this, we need to create the trending movies. Okay, so inside the components we are going to create a component for trending movies.js. Okay, so this will be a functional component, for now empty, and inside the home we are going to import this as well, so it will be trending movies now. Okay, so similar to this we need some of these things. So where are these? No, not inside home, inside from trending people we can copy the imports. We'll need all of these, so let's copy them and paste them out here. Okay, so similar to this, let's create the state variables as well. So these are the two state variables that I'm going to use, so let's copy them and paste them here. But inside, instead of people, this time we'll get movies and set movies. So this will be set movies. Now here we need to do same. We'll keep a check on loading. If it's loading, we'll use the loader component. Otherwise, for now, let's keep it null only. Okay, so now let's make the use effect function and let's pass an empty array to this so that it only gets called once, and create a function called get movies, which will be asynchronous. And let's make a call to this function get movies. Okay, now let's create a variable data and use the get component. Now at which URL we need to make the request, so let's see. So here we can search for top rated movies, so top rated, get top rated. Okay, and yeah, these are the top rated movies. This is the route, movie/top_rated. So let's pass this route here. We forgot to do one thing, we need to make it await. Okay, so once we get the data we need to, okay, so let's console the data once so that we are confirmed that we are getting the correct data. Let's save it, and okay, so we got the loader and we got the movies as well. Okay, so let's see what all are we getting in this. Okay, so again we are getting the results. So similar to that, what we can do, we'll set movies to data.results, and we are going to set loading as false, because we don't need to keep it loading and entirely. Okay, so this is done. Now instead of this null, again we are going to use the let's create a view and close it out here. Okay, inside this view we are going to use a text component. What will be the heading? Trending movies. Okay, and let's add the style. So this style will be styles.heading. We created it just now, so trending movies we got it. Similar to that, now we are going to use a flat list component. So key extractor will be, we'll get item, and from that we are going to extract item.id. This will be the extractor. The data will be the movies, and we again need to keep it in the horizontal way, and the render item. So for that we are going to create a component for render item. Let's create it. So const display movies, and it is going to return me the particular data. So here we are going to simply call the function display movies. Now inside this function what we need to do, here we will receive the item, we will get the item. Now here let's make the view, and inside the view again we are going to pass the image. We are going to pass the source. So source, what will be the source? So source will be URI, and inside this URI again we need to pass the URL dot poster_path. And also if we see here in the config, so in the config we created a variable called image poster URL, so it is getting the image in the original dimension, but we don't need that. So we are simply going to create another variable. It will be poster, const poster_image, and it will be the similar URL but with a minor tweak, .tmdb.org/t/p/width will be 200 this time. Okay, w200. So w200 represents that the width of the image should be 200. Now here we are going to use this, so poster_path, and so we don't need this image poster URL, we need the poster URL only. Okay, let's see, we pass this. Now nothing will be displayed because we haven't passed these styles. So let's pass the styles. What will be the styles? Poster image. Okay, so let's copy it and paste it here. So poster image, let's keep the height as 300 and width as 200, and also let's give a border radius, smaller one, border radius of 10. So we are not getting any data, we are not getting any movies. Why? Poster image, poster path seems to be good. Poster image, we have to find the, yep, height and width are also there. So what's the issue? This poster image, uh poster image, oh, okay, so the issue is we misspelled the path here. It should be TMDB. Yeah, we are getting the images now. Okay, so the images seem to be a bit stretched, so instead of 300, let's keep the height as 250. Okay, and the width could be reduced to 150 as well. Yep, now they are good. Okay, so next thing what we need to do, we need to add the image title here. So image text, so image text will be item dot original underscore title. This will be the image title, and we are going to add a style to this. So what will be the style? You can't see anything because the text is black and it's very much matching with the background color. So it will be movie title. So movie title will be the movie title. Okay, so let's copy it and let's add that style here. Okay, it's again giving us error, so I think I again forgot. Oh, it's text style. No, it's text only. Okay, so in this movie title we need to make the color as constants dot text color. Next thing, what we need to do, we need to specify the width as well. So the width will be similar to that of the image, so it's 150, and we need to make the text to align towards the center. So text align will be center, and for some simplicity we can give margin top as 5. Okay, so no, not 2 commas, only 1. Okay, let's see. Yep, seems good. Okay, yeah, so this is the data. We can increase the font size a bit. So font size could be increased to 13 so that it's pretty much readable at least. Yep. Okay, or we can keep it 16 if it's not. Yeah, so this is the title. Okay, so now just for a styling purpose we can add this style here, and we can give the margin horizontal as 10 so that it seems much readable. Okay, so now it seems good. Okay, so these are the trending movies. We created the trending people as well in this part only. Okay, so these are the trending people, these are the trending movies. So the home screen of our application is now complete. Now in the next part we are going to create the entire detail screen of the movies, where once we click on any of the movie we get the detail page where all the details are mentioned of that particular movie. Okay, so go complete till here, and if you need any help you can contact me on Instagram or Telegram, and if you need the source code you can find the link for the GitHub in the description. Okay, so this is it. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.